Hello students, this is Vaibhavi, your teacher, and today we are going to discuss about concept of human resource management. Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand the concept of human resource management and objectives of human resource management. Human resource management. In today most complex organization management, every manager has to be a human resource manager. He deals with people working under him, with him and above him. He must be aware of authentic ways of dealing with people. Human resource management is the discipline that provides a perspective to managers to enable them to manage people properly to the end that achieve individual, organizational and societal objectives. While entering the subject, we need to understand following aspects of the subject. Concept of human resource management. Four major enterprise resource men, machine, money and material have conceptually changed into their revised form in modern complex business environment, from man to human, from machine to operations, from money to finance and from material to inventory. Human being is the driving force behind mobilization and utilization of all other sources. Hence, it is important to understand human beings and then they are used as a resource for an enterprise. For effective human resource management, one must be able to 1. Observe behavior of human beings. 2. Understand causes of the behavior. 3. Influence the behavior towards a certain direction. Though complex, most psychologists believe that human beings are not completely disorganized and without motivation. Human resource management attempts to provide the knowledge to manage human beings with all their biological, psychological, anthropological characteristics and use them more effectively to achieve organizational objectives. Definition of human resource management. A comprehensive definition of human resource management which covers entire aspects of the subject is as human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resource to the end that individual, organizational and societal objectives are accomplished. Objectives of human resource management. A. Organizational objectives. Attracting capable employees to organization to motivate them to superior performance, to retain them for a longer period of time. B. Individual objectives. Satisfactory accomplishment of monetary needs, obtain and maintain pride in work, have security, recognition and acceptance. C. Social objectives. Protection and enhancements of human resource of society, protection of psychological resources and environment, protection of physical resources and environment. Student Hope you understood the concept of human resource management and objectives of human resource management. Thank you and see you in the next session.